If it's been a while since you've had your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned, you may be putting yourself and your family at risk by unintentionally starting a dangerous house fire. In this video, we will show you how cleaning your dryer vent on an annual basis can help you prevent a potential house fire. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent-related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. While throwing a load of laundry into your dryer may seem like a mundane task, many homeowners tend to forget about the cleanliness of their dryer vent. This can result in your dryer malfunctioning, the buildup of deadly gas inside your home, and potentially spark a dangerous house fire. The biggest element responsible for dryer-related house fires is lint. While your dryer's lint trap will catch lots of lint during regular usage, tiny lint fibers will still manage to seep their way into your dryer vent, which is a long and narrow passage leading to the exterior of your home. Over time, your dryer vent can clog with lint and retain excess heat from your dryer, setting the stage for a dangerous house fire. According to the National Fire Protection Association, there are nearly 16,000 dryer-related house fires every year. As you can see from the chart below, 26% of these fires were caused by excessive lint buildup in improperly maintained dryer vents. This means excessive lint buildup accounts for more than 4,000 house fires each year. The good news is this potential threat can be averted through regular dryer vent maintenance. For the safety of you and your family, the National Fire Protection Association recommends having your dryer vent professionally cleaned and inspected at least once per year. Now that you know how an annual dryer vent cleaning can protect your home from a potential fire, it's time to call Alpha and Omega to schedule your appointment today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.